The ferry ramp's off. This could get tricky.
We need a smart way through. Let's figure this out. We need to lock the cargo down safely. Let's stay calm.
Steady the rig. The lines are shaking. It's getting unstable.
Wait, look over there. A smarter route might work better.
Good catch! Everyone, adjust positions. We can make this happen.
Sliding hook. Time's running out. Let's commit to the best move together. On it! Everyone, stay focused. Watch, plan, act calmly.
Cargo's locked in. That's teamwork, everyone.
Way to go!
Lesson learned. Watch, plan, act calmly together.